I've kind of made this place like it's my home. I have quite a collection of carvings from various places. All the photographs and stuff I have in here, probably 80% are my photographs. Something that I really like to do. When I first arrived here, I couldn't walk, I couldn't get out of bed. It went from there. I was able to walk with a walker 10 feet, and I got to 15 feet. Then I was able to go down the hallway further, and now it's like I can pretty much go wherever I want. Sunrise, for me, it's easy to get around, and the people here are all really nice and friendly. So everybody's very helpful. People that are looking for a place, this place is compact enough, but it's big enough. They have activities to do all the time, and so for me, it's what I needed. It's been a good experience for me.